Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I've been looking for radios to review, new radios that are on the market. I found this one, and it kind of gave me a little spark of interest. It's the QFX R-24 AM, FM, and 2 shortwave bands. And it doesn't look too bad. It's only $20. I think when it came out a couple of weeks ago, it was $24.95. Now it's $20. It's got 66 ratings. It's a pretty good number of ratings. And the score is 3.5 out of 5. Not good. Ooh, look at the number of 1 stars. 23%. Now, I don't trust the ratings on Amazon. I just, I take them with a grain of salt. And then I always go down and look at the ratings, what people actually say down here on the bottom, if I can ever get to it. There's some questions and answers. And then what's beautiful about Amazon is you can click on one of these star ratings and it will show you just those. So I can click on the 1 star, which is 23%. And boy, nice touch, not that bad. I think that's what he's trying to say. The FM is dead. Save your money. Junk, garbage, cheap, terrible. It doesn't sound too good. So I thought, well, let me search YouTube. I didn't find any videos on YouTube. Let me search the internet. And lo and behold, I came across a very trustworthy website, and that's Radio J. Allen's website. He does reviews, and he does extensive reviews. He tears the radios apart and everything. So he's done a review, and he said the same thing. What caught my attention was the fact that it's nearly identical to another radio, the Panasonic RF-2400D, and at the time he wrote this article, or at the time he purchased this, it was down to $15.78 with free shipping from Amazon. So he bought one. And the one thing that's a little difficult about his reviews is he doesn't date them. At least I can never find a date on them. So you just kind of have to look his list of reviews and just see when the latest one, and give you kind of some idea of the time frame. Well, this is near the top of his most recent review. So this is a recent review. And he goes into a lot of detail. I'll let you read that. I'll put a link down in my comments to this particular review. Here he tears it apart. And he does tear it apart in his review. We can come down here and says, where is it? He says there is likely to be a unit-to-unit variation. And then you see that a lot with these inexpensive, well, actually even not inexpensive, expensive Chinese radios. And so as he points out, it's a good idea to get these radios, or these kinds of radios, from a reputable company like Amazon that gives you easy returns. So he asked that question, did he get a bad sample? I suspect there will be differences unit to unit, but even so, most of the faults seem to be inherent in the design. This is so cheaply made, I would not care to try another sample. Boy. So even at under $16 when he got it, it's now $20. I can't recommend it. On the other hand, the Panasonic RF-2400D for $30 still looks pretty good comparison. Now, he mentioned that the Panasonic RF-2400D is only AM and FM. So here's the radio on Amazon. Okay, let me go back. Go back. There it is. It doesn't look too bad. But one of the things he said, let me go back to the top here, which is always a possible problem, get back all the way up to the top there, Tom, is this is what I call analog tuning. And he says that the tuning scale here is not linear. So when you get down to like 1/4 or 1/3 of the scale, then it's really hard to tune in a station. And I believe his article said he wasn't able to tune in anything on shortwave. So I agree with him. This is one to pass. I've not had real good results with QFX radios. Some of them, that I reviewed a couple of years ago weren't too bad, but it seems like their quality control has really gone downhill. So I'm not going to get this, and I advise you not to get this. If you have, and you have some comments for the rest of us, please let us know. Put it down in a comment, or you can send me an email to TRRS73@gmail.com. That's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.